So hi everyone. As you might be knowing that OpenAI has released OpenAI Sora, which is a text to video model. But this video we won't be discussing about its features, why it is the best, etc. etc. But I'm rather a little disappointed with the release. And there are multiple reasons for that. One of the reasons, as you can see on the screen, account creation is currently unavailable within just 4 to 5 hours of release. So I'm not sure why this is happening, and there are certain more reasons that I might not be preferring OpenAI Sora. So the first and the foremost reason it is paid again. So recently I'm seeing this trend that OpenAI whatever they release goes into the premium subscription. On a contrary note, most of the firms, be it Meta or be it Tencent, they're releasing everything open source alongside the weights to support the open source community. So making it behind the paywall is not something that I encourage a lot. Second thing, the most disappointing thing is they didn't report any metrics. Also, this is very crucial. They haven't shown any comparison with their competitors like Union Video, which was open source recently, or Luma or Gen 3 Alpha. They want people to keep guessing and come and test it out. This might be the case, but not sharing numbers is not something that is supported. Third thing is even the quality of the video is at times questionable. I was just going through certain YouTube videos from coming from some of the reliable tech reviewers where they showed that at times the fingers that are coming for humans is flickering. Certain basic physics laws are not getting matched out. So there are abnormalities in the generated video, and the quality is also not top notch. No model details, no architecture, no data set used, nothing has been disclosed. I was trying to read about the model, what they have shown nothing, just some examples. They have disclosed no information. This lack of transparency leaves the community in dark, like how to compare it with other models, what can be used, what can't be used. Right? Apart from that, limited customization. Yes, if it is not open source, you can't customize it. Dependence on cloud infrastructure, that is very important. There is no API right now, as I was reading on the page. And going and testing it out on OpenAI server might be a little challenging for data security issues. And you would require an internet for sure. So that is also an issue. Unknown biases and data sources. As I already mentioned, nothing has been mentioned about a training data set being used. So you don't know what it will generate correctly and what it won't. You don't know its weaknesses and strengths. And you don't know how ethical it is to use Sora, whether it generates harmful content also or not, can it generate pornography or not. Nothing has been revealed. Bad traffic handling on the website, as I showed you in the first page. Account creation can't be done right now. The model is not open source, so you just have no option to access the model. By the time, if you are also struggling for the same, there are some best OpenAI Sora free alternatives that I can suggest. Onion Video is the best. Trust me in terms of quality as well. And they have very openly shared everything, be it the model weights, be it the metrics they got, or be it the model architecture. The model is a little huge, but even by using Kijia's open comfy UI version, I think the hardware issue can be sorted out. LTX video is also quite good. It generates decent videos. Same goes with Mochi One by Genmo. Apart from that, Cog Video X and Pyramid Flow are also open source. All these model weights and how to use them is present on Hugging Face. You can check it out. So, in concluding this, I think OpenAI Sora brings back attention to text to video generation, which is a hot topic right now. Many models are coming in that direction. But yeah, I think as contrary to the name, they are not making anything open source. Apart from that, I think accessing the models is becoming difficult day by day. And reliability is also an issue because if you are not reporting the metrics, the structure, what model is getting used, you are keeping people in dark. So I think these are certain issues that I figured out, and I might not be using it. I better go for Hunyon Video, Mochiban, or LTX Video. They are also pretty good. Thank you so much.